How's everyone? Hello. मुझे आपकी बिल्कुल आवाज़ नहीं आ रही है। मैं किससे पूछूं? मैं किसका जवाब दूं? अच्छा आप पूछिए। थैंक यू। गुड इवनिंग टू यू टू। जी, मैं आपको सच बोलूं तो हम लोग किसी भी तरह का इनिशिएटिव लेते हैं, उसके पीछे जो भी रीज़न होता है, चाहे वो एक बंदे को इन्फ्लुएंस करे या 100 लोगों को इन्फ्लुएंस करे या 1000 लोगों को इन्फ्लुएंस करे, उस पर हमारा कोई क्या बोल सकते, उस पर हमारा कोई कंट्रोल नहीं होता। लेकिन हम अपनी तरफ से जो कर सकते हैं हम वो करते हैं। सो दैट्स एग्जैक्टली व्हाट वी आर डूइंग हियर टुडे एज एन इंडस्ट्री, एज एवरीवन। फैशन इंडस्ट्री ले लो, चाहे आप बॉलीवुड ले लो, चाहे आप मीडिया को ले लो, हम सब लोग यहाँ पर हैं टू सपोर्ट अ कॉज एंड टू मेक श्योर दैट वी मेक अ डिफरेंस। सो आई थिंक हमारा जो मकसद है वो हम पूरा कर रहे हैं। हम होपिंग कि अब आगे ये बातें पहुँचे। राइट। सी अनफॉर्चुनेटली क्या है, हमारे सोचने से, आपके कहने से या मेरे कहने से अगर फ़र्क पड़ता तो बात ही क्या थी। बहुत चीज़ें आगे बढ़ जाती, बहुत सी चीज़ें हो जाती। गुस्सा आता है, खून खौलता है, लेकिन हम उसका कुछ कर नहीं पाते। आई थिंक वन फॉर वन होना चाहिए। एज विमेन और एज मैन वी नीड टू रियलाइज वी कांट बी डिपेंडेंट ऑन अदर पीपल। अनफॉर्चुनेटली इन टुडेज डे एंड एज आप चाहकर भी किसी पे डिपेंडेंट नहीं रह सकते। तो चाहे वो सेल्फ डिफेंस सीखना हो, और इट मीन्स टू कैरी अ पेपर स्प्रे, और इट मीन्स कि आप शायद जो आपके घर पे जो दीदी आती है काम करने के लिए, उनके बच्चे हैं, आप उन तक पहुंचो, आप उनको कुछ सलाह दो, आप उनको कोई सीख दो, शायद उससे कोई फ़र्क पड़े। बट दैट्स द मैक्सिमम दैट वी कैन डू एज सिटीजन्स। आगे देखते हैं अब क्या होता है। यस। There you go, Justin. Yes, I'm very geared up for Yamla Pagla 3. Thank you. Oh, you have no idea how nervous I am. 2nd of May will be my last day of shoot, and on the 3rd I start dubbing. So it's all real suddenly. It's happening. It's gonna happen. It's gonna be out very soon. Was it intimidating? It was exciting. It was so fun. Imagine. I felt like a star. I'm working with stars. I'm a normal girl from Bangalore. The feeling is something else to be able to work with people I've grown up watching. Yeah. I'll get into trouble. All 3 of them are very funny. Yeah, they won. Anyway, thank you so much. Huh? Yes. I think they look fabulous together on screen. They're both fantastic actors and they complement each other really well. I think the world knows that I'm a Deepika Padukone fan, so I'm very excited to see her tonight. I think I would have been a motivational speaker. Yeah, I would have done that. I like helping people. That's something that I've always done. तो मैं चाहती हूँ कि मैं अभी भी वही करना चाहती हूँ कि मैं लोगों की ज़िंदगी में फ़र्क लाऊं, तो आगे भी होपफुली यही करूँगी। थैंक यू सो मच गाइस। जी,
आई थिंक ये एक कॉम्बिनेशन है जो हमेशा स्क्रीन पे एक मैजिक क्रिएट करते हैं एंड आई जेन्युइनली लव देम अ लॉट, बोथ ऑफ देम। मैं दीपिका की बहुत बड़ी फ़ैन हूँ और रणबीर को अगर मैं देखूंगी तो मैं ऐसे आइल में बैठ के ऐसे शायद फेंट हो जाऊँ, बिकॉज आई एम अ क्रेजी फ़ैन ऑफ बोथ ऑफ देम। एंड दोनों का कॉम्बिनेशन फॉर मिजवा आई थिंक इज़ अ वेरी गुड आइडिया, बिकॉज they are working for such a nice cause, and Manish Malhotra, Shabana ji, I think it's the right package and it's going to be a glamorous night. This is what it does to me. My throat runs dry. I will start crying in an instant because this is something very personal to me. I genuinely feel that I don't even know what to say. It's not even, it's barbaric, it's evil. These men don't belong to this world. I don't think वो इस दुनिया से नहीं है. उनको ऐसे लोगों को ना सच में दिमागी इलाज कराना चाहिए. और I really want to see some swift justice because it makes me genuinely break down. So literally my hand is going to shiver now. I can't. It's too heart wrenching. So that's all I can say, guys. Really.
Sorry, I can't hear you at all. I think it's for a very good cause, and Manish ji coming with Shabana ji and Ranveer and Deepika walking. So I think it's a very, very nice event to give back to the society, and I'm just here to support them.
A very big project lined up from the House of T-Series. It's Offers Mughal. Is Amir Khan in the film India Channel?
I don't think this is the right time to announce the cast. We'll announce it soon. Have some patience. I think it's very important that हमारे कंट्री की, हमारी देश की जो डॉटर्स हैं, दे शुड फील सेफ बाहर जाने में. ऐसे नहीं होना चाहिए कि एक पेरेंट खुद घबराए और अपने बच्चे को सावधान करे कि बेटा घर से बाहर मत जाओ, घर के अंदर ही रहो. That's not independence, and that's not what gives you empowerment as a girl, as a child, as a woman. It's very important to make sure that your girls feel secure. वो सिक्योरिटी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है और हमें वो सिक्योरिटी प्रोवाइड करनी है. सो आई थिंक अच्छे संस्कार देना बच्चों को बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. और जो भी हुआ है अभी रिसेंटली, आई थिंक गवर्नमेंट शुड रियली वर्क टुवर्ड्स इट कि ऐसा दोबारा कभी ना हो. एंड वी आर वेरी प्राउड टू से दैट वी आर इंडियन, एंड हमारे देश की बेटियां बहुत प्रोटेक्टेड हैं.
You're making up for him very quickly. Thank you. Now you have to say a lot of things to make up for that. Oh my God. Thank you. Oh, thank you so much. It's fine. Thank you. What do you have done? Yeah. I think it's a great combination because first of all it's a superb cause. बहुत अच्छा cause है और मैं हमेशा शबाना जी से और मनीष से कहती हूँ कि ये जो काम कर रहे हैं बहुत अच्छा काम है. तो हर साल हम लोग आते हैं, बड़े खूबसूरत कपड़े देखते हैं और मज़ा आता है और इनके कॉज को जिस तरह से भी सपोर्ट कर सकें सपोर्ट करने की कोशिश करते हैं. सो आई थिंक इट्स अ गुड डीड एंड आई एम हैप्पी टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ इट. ओह यस, या वेल इंडियाज़ बेस्ट ड्रामेबाज ही है जो करती आ रही हूँ. आई लव द शो. आई लव, यू नो, आई हैव ऑलवेज एंजॉयड वर्किंग विद किड्स, सो आई एम रियली लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू द शो.
In the meantime, Bollywood awaits your return back. So when can we expect that to the band?
No, I think where have I gone? I have been in public eye constantly always, so I'm around. I haven't thought of it, but let's see now. Let's start with the TV and see how it goes. Thank you. Maybe a lawyer or something. Thank you.
Hello. Namaste.
So what do you want to say about this one? I love Manish Malhotra. I love him as a designer and I love him as a human being. He's wonderful, and I'm very grateful every time when I have the chance to wear his outfits. They're beautiful, and I'm sure the show will be outstanding. So best of luck for Manish. Sorry? Beautiful, no? I'm sure they will look great. Manish will take care of this for sure. So it will be wonderful to see them walking.
You're also singing a song in Race 3, and you've sung a song, if I'm not mistaken. Tell us more about it. And
I will tell you more about it when it will be delivered.
I'm going to do this.
Hello, hi. Hi. Yeah, so. Okay. So, yes, I'm going to tell you more about the song when the time is right. But it's a beautiful song.
but who motivated you to get a part of it? Did Salman probably say that you have to sing a special number?
I think life and God has motivated us to do everything what we do. So, yeah. Thank you.
Hello. Hi, hi, hi. Hi, Seema ji, how are you? Thank you. Who do you think? Mr. Manish Malhotra. He would have not let me enter this premises if I had not worn his outfit. But he is my favorite, as you all know. I wear him a lot, and he's one of the best designers we have in our country today. And it's always a pleasure. He makes me look and feel like a princess every time. I think, first of all, it's for such a great cause, which is what I'm most looking forward to, and which is why I'm even here, because giving women work means empowering them, and I feel that it's so important in today's world. So I think that is what the main reason I'm here for. Thank you.
Do you see any hope? What needs to be done to stop such hideous crimes like rape?
Just stricter punishment, I guess, which is what the entire nation is unanimously asking for. It's something that we should actually not even be asking. It's something that should be instilled into our children, our boys, right from the very beginning. So I think in terms of upbringing, that needs to change. The boys need to be taught a better mentality, I guess. And as for people who still commit these crimes, I think the maximum punishment ever. This is unacceptable, and we as a nation have raised our voice today, and something needs to be done for sure. Yeah. Good evening, Sumit. How are you? Oh, thank you. Yes. जी अब मैं खुल के बोल सकती हूँ आप मुझे इतने टाइम से पूछते आ रहे हो बट फाइनली कलंक हैज़ बीन अनाउंस्ड एंड आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड it's got a stellar star cast. I'm so excited to be working with all these wonderful people. In fact, with only Sanju sir I've worked before in Son of Sardar, but the rest of them I'm going to be sharing screen space with for the first time, and so looking forward to it. I mean, Madhuri ji has been one of my favorite actresses for forever, and we've all looked up to her, so to be in the same frame with her, to be in the same film with her, to have my name next to her in the announcement was such an honor, and I'm super excited.
Fans are excited for Sanjay and Madhuri reuniting.
Yes. Of course, I think everyone is. They've been one of the most iconic couples in Indian cinema, and it'll be great to watch them. Varun and Alia have been such a love couple. I'm pairing up with Aditya for the first time, so that'll be great as well. So really looking forward to it. Yeah. मैं जो अपने मन में आया, मैं जो करना चाहूँ मैं कर सकती हूँ. आई फील मुझ में उतना पोटेंशियल है. एक बात जो मैं ठान लेती हूँ तो आई कैन डू दैट. मैं बहुत और कुछ कर सकती थी. आई कुड हैव बीन एन आर्टिस्ट, आई कुड हैव बीन अ फैशन डिज़ाइनर, आई कुड हैव बीन अ स्टाइलिस्ट, आई कुड हैव बीन अ स्पोर्ट्स प्लेयर. तो आप क्या चाहते हैं मैं क्या बनूँ?
थैंक यू वेरी मच, इसलिए मैं वो कर रही हूँ. Yes, Dabang 3 will be going on floors very, very soon. Prabhu sir is directing it, and of course I'm reprising my role of Rajjo. Chulbul Pandey will be there. So yeah, very, very exciting. Back to my roots, back to where it all began, back to where it started. So super exciting. I'm Rajjo, so I mean, it's a continuation of that. But the story is very, very exciting, and I can tell you it's going to be full masaledar and dhamakedar. Yeah. Thank you.
चलो guys, come on. Come. Sorry. Pictures. You go next one. Ranveer, go next. Which one?
सबका साथ में नहीं हुआ है पूरा इंटरव्यू. किनका? हमारे कैमरा के लिए सबके लिए नहीं हुआ है.
अरे मगर पहले तो यहाँ बात करेंगे ना. चलो आ जाओ. नाउ
चलो आप चलो. क्या चाहिए? रणवीर के साथ. अच्छा
हाँ अंदर ले ले. आ जाओ.
अब चलो अंदर ले लेंगे.
मनीष आओ.
अच्छा आप यहाँ जाओ.
देखो तुम लोग. Gorgeosity, you can't run away. ये इतनी लंबी है कि ठीक है.
मनीष का.
I don't want to stand on your thing.
Please. देखिए ये बहुत ही लंबा सफ़र रहा है, लेकिन इस सफ़र में हमको बहुत खुशी मिली है. सशक्तिकरण मिला है लड़कियों को. बहुत खुशी की बात है. ऐसा लगता है बस कल ही हमने हाथ जोड़ा था मनीष मल्होत्रा के साथ और चुटकी में 9 साल निकल गए.
क्या आपने बोला मैंने सुनाई नहीं दिया. हाँ वो कॉम्प्लीमेंट सुनाई दिया, क्वेश्चन सुनाई नहीं दिया. आई थिंक सबसे बड़ी बात है कि वी हैव कम टुगेदर टू वर्क फॉर मेजबान वेलफेयर सोसाइटी एंड आई थिंक दैट्स द बिगर पिक्चर हियर. So it's always wonderful, you know, to work for Manish, to work with Deepika, for Shabana auntie, Namrata, and everybody concerned with the Majma Welfare Society.
I think very, very exciting, to be honest. I think, like he said, this is my first time. I know he's done it before, but this is my first time. And I started my career off as a model. I've walked the ramp many, many times. But this was special. It felt genuine. It felt real. And it felt connected. I felt like everyone behind the scenes has worked really, really hard in doing what they do. Not just in putting the show together, but in the fact that you can see the work, the effort, the craftsmanship, and I think most importantly the fact that they've empowered so many women and children. It gives me so much joy, and it's so inspiring to see the work they do. Like I said, I think the fact that we've empowered women is one thing, but to see the quality of work that's coming out of Mijma year on year, and to see that today they can compete or provide for top designers, not of the country but of the world. I think it really says a lot about the talent that we have in the country, and the fact that if we empower them, if we enable them, there's so much that we can do. I think we'd be so much, I think, richer as a nation. And this is just the beginning. We have a long way to go.
Thank you. Masculinity के बारे में
Well, I think firstly we have to change the notion of masculinity. I think masculinity का जो एक idea है हमारे दिमाग में, I think we change the feelings of entitlement. I think that's a beginning. Once we do that, and the kind of platform that we can provide to, and especially us who are entitled, that we can provide to the people of our country, especially to the girls, to the women. I think that's a great start, and I think Mijma Welfare Society is about that. Coming together to do just that.
By being here, he is doing that.
Hello. Well, I just want to say Shabana ji and Namrata have been doing this for the past many years, and I have been a huge supporter of Mijma. और I think बहुत ज़रूरी काम है ये. We all are, very fashion conscious people, but I think along with being fashion conscious, we have a responsibility towards society, towards children, towards the handicrafts, handlooms of this country, and I think it's such a beautiful marriage where Manish every year does this beautiful show, in association with Mijma, and I think the whole industry literally comes here to support them, and it's amazing. I'm very excited. I'm very excited to see Deepika and Ranveer both together, both of my favorites. I can't wait to watch them look all amazing. Excited for race 3? Very excited for race 3. Inshallah, this Eid will be even sweeter. Thank you.
Hello, how are you? Yes, very. I'm actually very excited because I'm accompanied by my really lovely friend Moni. Best friend. We haven't met each other since a couple of hours actually. Yeah. We're together all the time. Also, this is for a very noble cause, so we're here to show our support. And yeah, Manish is a beautiful designer. We all know that. You feel lucky to be wearing. I'm wearing one of his sarees tonight, and so yeah, we're looking forward to see the show. I'm actually looking forward to see Ranveer and Deepika together. We were just talking about it in the car that anyway both of us love Deepika, and both of them I think together make a really also really on-screen couple. So. You will be seeing my friend on big screen very soon. Yes. I'm nervous. I'm excited, but I'm nervous. Let's see. I don't like to talk about it too much and jinx it. So. No, she's going to be very good in the film. I know that.
Yes, yes, we have. Very, very good. Both Ranbir and Alia are such giving, understanding actors. It's an honor to share screen with them. And in fact, it was a very difficult role and a very difficult shoot. It was minus 18 or 17 degrees most of the time. So yeah, it was very, very nice shooting. Little bit. देखिए, बात ये होती है ना कि पहले हम ईवल को रावण के साथ कंपेयर करते थे, दैट यू नो वी बर्न रावण ड्यूरिंग दशहरा, बट द पॉइंट ऑफ द मैटर इज that I don't think even Ravan crossed that line of Maryada with Sita. He wanted to whatever. So let me not go into a religious space. The whole thing is that whatever is happening in our country, whether it's with the 3-day-old child in UP or with Asifa, it's just so shocking. And so I don't think there can be any justice. Both of us, I remember, we were very, very disturbed for days. But we need to, I don't know how you can educate the men in your own homes, or how can you teach humanity to human beings, because they clearly not.
और ये ना ये तो इस्तीफा का भी जो चैप्टर हुआ है, लेकिन ऐसा बहुत कुछ हो गया है, हमें कुछ करने की ज़रूरत है, कंट्री को कुछ करने की ज़रूरत है, हमें कुछ करना चाहिए इसके बारे में.
Even that Pakistani girl, the last year that event that happened, this year whatever happened, it's just all too shocking. I think the end is very close. Yeah,
it's scary. Thank you. Yeah?
No, I want good. I'm here today. I'm not a part. Thank you. If I wasn't an actress, maybe an IS officer, because that's what my father wanted me to be. I was studying, I don't know if I was studying for it. I'd done my English honours from Miranda House and I did my MA in Mass Comm from Jamia. I wrote my dissertation. So मैं academics में ही थी, तो उसी line में कुछ करती शायद. Thank you.
I think I would have been sticking to my glamour industry, and I would have been a choreographer.
You'd be a beautiful choreographer. Have you seen how graceful she is?
Because I love dancing, so I would have been a good choreographer.
Thank you.
जी बेटी. Well, first of all, I am very happy that I am attending Manish's show for Mijwan, of course. And secondly, Shabana ma'am has this a great cause what she's doing, and obviously Mijwan is her native, and she's doing really good things for her own native, which is a good thing. And a lot of people should come up with such things with their own natives also. So I think it's a great thing what Shabana ma'am is doing, and people like us should also think something for our own villages. शूटिंग अभी ख़त्म नहीं हुई है, थोड़े दिन की शूट बाकी है, बट वी आर हैविंग अ लॉट ऑफ फन ऑन सेट, टोटल मस्ती, एंड वी आर रियली लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड फॉर यू गाइस टू सी इट एक्चुअली. जी बहुत है इसके अंदर. मैंने और जैकी ने दोनों ने मिलके जमकर एक्शन किया है, और वो करने में बहुत ही मज़ा आया था. उन्होंने 2 गाने लिखे हैं, और शायद उन्होंने एक गाना गाया है. मतलब मुझे उसके बारे में टोटल नॉलेज नहीं है, बिकॉज इट्स अ रीसेंट अपडेट, और हमारी शूटिंग में अभी वो सलमान सर अभी कुछ शूट जो चल रही थी उसके अंदर वो नहीं थे, तो अपडेट क्या है मुझे नहीं पता. We were very happy when Salman sir came out, and obviously we had to get back to our shooting because that's a project we need to finish because the release is like 2 months. So we had to. So no, we were just happy. We were very happy. Thank you. Thank you.
Hello, what's up? Hello? I'm very excited. Yeah, this is first time I'm actually getting this opportunity to be a part of this wonderful welfare association, and I'm very excited about it. And I'm really happy the kind of work that Ms. One keeps doing. I'm very happy to support it in any capacity. Magic. What else? We all are looking forward to that. Yeah. I don't know what you guys are doing here. We should go inside. I think so. तुम लोग नहीं देखोगे क्या? रणबीर दीपिका नहीं दिखते साथ में बार-बार. Hello. How are you doing? Yeah. Thank you. What's up, buddy? Where's your sword?
सर बस निकाल रहा हूँ गाड़ी में ऐसा
Yeah. Oops. What was the philosophy? No, they wanted something which talks about friendship and which talks about friendship in which, you know, वो बोलते हैं ना हर दोस्त कमीना होता है, तो उनको वैसा good thought चाहिए था. And I think who better than all the fukras to fit in that. So that's I think was the thought behind it. Yeah, I don't know. We have spoken a lot about it, and it's time that everybody takes action about it. And it's nice to see people coming down on the roads. But you know, I think it's high time. Yeah, this is this recent incident, and this is not the only one. But it's really shameful. Yeah, it's really shameful. It's disgusting. So I think we should just pull up our socks and just fuck these assholes. Yeah, they are assholes. I'm sorry, I'm saying this on TV, but they are. Thank you.
Hey guys, how are we? Good evening, ma'am. कैसे हैं आप लोग? What's up, guys? Hello. आज सुमित का है? सुमित नहीं दिख रहा? कहाँ है सुमित? सुमित हेयर स्टाइल चेंज कर लिया तूने? हाँ जी, बताइए. I can't hear you, भाई. Good evening, भाई. Good evening. नहीं यार, आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड टू वॉच दिस शो. मनीष मल्होत्रा हर साल ये मेज़बान के लिए शो करते हैं. शबाना जी का इनिशिएटिव है. सो आई थिंक इट्स अ ग्रेट इनिशिएटिव ऑफ गिविंग जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ टू women and empowering the women, and I think it's a great initiative, and I'm happy that I'm here. So looking forward, and Ranbir and Deepika always look lovely together, and they'll be walking together, so it'll be a good thing. यार मैं क्रिकेटर बनना चाहता था लाइफ में, तो मैंने थोड़ा सा स्टेट लेवल क्रिकेट भी खेला है ज़िंदगी में. अगर एक्टर नहीं बनता तो शायद उस तरफ जाने की कोशिश करता. जी बिल्कुल जी. नो, इट इज़ highly disturbing. The incidents that we are reading, whether it was the Surat case or whether it was Asifa's case, I think जो ये लोग हैं जिनकी ये मेंटालिटी है, उनका हमारी सोसाइटी में रहने का कोई हक नहीं है यार. If you can think of such thoughts and do something with a child, that's highly disgusting. Jitesh sir, where are you going, sir? Where are you going? I'm good. Oh, you're running. I'm looking lovely, Manish Malhotra. You looking? Thank you. Sorry. So I think it is highly disgusting, and all these people who have done this should be and I believe in the justice system of my country, so I'm hoping उनको सज़ा मिलेगी and जो हार्ड से हार्ड सज़ा हो सकती है वो मिलनी चाहिए. There should be no रियायत. जी 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 किसकी? हाँ, अब ईद आ रही है तो आएंगे यार, ईद पे ईदी लेने तो आएंगे, बट आई एम डैम एक्साइटेड यार. अब भी थोड़ा सा काम पिक्चर का बाकी है. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू लेह लद्दाख, श्रीनगर जा रहे हैं हम, वहाँ पर कुछ गाने शूट करने. सो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी यार कि बस आ गई पिक्चर 1.5 महीने बाद, एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी दैट लाइफ में पहली बार मेरी भी पिक्चर एक ईद पे रिलीज हो रही है. थैंक यू. मैम फर्स्ट, मैम फर्स्ट. मैम आई वुड नो द राइट पर्सन टू टेल यू दिस वुड बी रमेश तोरानी. हमें तो बताया जाता है कि यहाँ स्केड्यूल है और हम वहाँ चले जाते हैं. वी आर एक्टर्स, सो आई थिंक दैट इज़ अ कॉल द प्रोड्यूसर विल हैव टू टेक एंड विल हैव टू टेल यू. यू से मतलब आई डोंट, आई एम वेरी ऑनेस्टली आई एम अनअवेयर ऑफ दिस. आई हैव ओनली रेड इट इन द प्रेस. सो अगर आप लोग बोल रहे हैं लिखा होगा भाई ने, यार भाई ने गाया होगा, बट आई नॉट दैट आई नो ऑफ. थैंक यू गाइस, थैंक यू.
Hello. First of all, I'd like to congratulate Shabana ma'am. I think it's extremely inspiring to see her do this every year because the cause is so special, it's so real, and it's the need of the hour, women empowerment, and what better way to celebrate it with supporting girl-child education. And look at the way the society, the Mijwan society has progressed. So we're all here to support this organization, and I think it's amazing. It always feels nice to be back here every year, and of course very excited to be wearing Manish Malhotra and and for the show, of course, to watch Ranbir and Deepika. Thank you. Combi? I think everybody loves them, and as I said, that the cause has made it even more special and even more relevant because it's really special. I think the cause, we're all together and they're walking, I think has made it even more. I think that's the hero of the show today, and I'm really excited to watch the show because it's always very grand. It's always very what should I say? I think it's very grand. I think that's and there's a lot of specials, I think, attached to it. So really looking forward to it. I think I just said exactly the same thing, that why it's so special, because it's the need of the hour, women empowerment and gender empowerment, and what better way to make girls and women aware, making them aware about themselves, about their rights, about education. That is the first and primary step, and I think Mijwan, that's where that's the reason why it's really special and it's really important for us. And I think hats off to Shabana ma'am for inspiring us with her such a strong initiative. And I hope that more of us, we can contribute more in whatever possible way to consolidate such events. Thank you. I think being an actress chose me, so I'm not thinking anything. My sister's not here. I'll tell her that you missed her. How sweet. Thank you guys. Thank you.
I'm definitely excited to see them on the ramp. I think बहुत मज़ा आएगा उनको रैम्प पे देखने के लिए, लेकिन उससे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है कि ये जो मिजवान का हम फैशन शो करते हैं हर साल, it's about empowering women and it's about creating skill in India and giving them a livelihood, and I think that's why we all come and we always support. I think what Manish and Shabana ji and Namrata are doing is an amazing endeavor. I love social networking. I think हर इंसान की ज़िंदगी में एक टाइम आता है जब भी वो it's like an awakening. You come to a stage in your life where it's kind of like a overall transformation. You have to transform your mind, your body and your soul to achieve something like this. अभी सबसे अच्छा कॉम्प्लीमेंट आई थिंक मैं वेट कर रही हूँ. बहुत लोग अभी कॉम्प्लीमेंट दे रहे हैं. सो आई लाइक टू वेट फॉर सम मोर कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स. फैमिली तो अपने को दे टेक अस फॉर ग्रांटेड. फैमिली टेक्स यू फॉर ग्रांटेड फर्स्ट. दे फील लाइक लेकिन हमें पता था कि तुम ये कर सकती थी. If I wasn't an actress, I think I would do something with animals. I love animals. Maybe I would have opened my own, like wildlife sanctuary or something like that. Thank you.
My God, that's a lot of mics. Well, I think Mejwan is a cause they have been working consistently, and I think whenever some serious, good-hearted people make an effort, like Shabana ji, like Namrata Goyal, and the whole team, I think they make a lot of difference. They change the lives of people, and I think this is a fabulous effort. That's why we are here to support them. So good luck, Shabana, Mejwan, Namrata, all of you. Thank you. What happened? Not okay? Come. Sorry. हाँ जी बोलिए क्या? I don't know. Is it a new look? I have no idea. I think every day a woman should reinvent herself. Otherwise थोड़ा boring हो जाता है. And no, it's my same old look. Just dressing is different. Thank you. आई थिंक ये बहुत ही सैड दुखदाई घटना हो रही हैं हमारे देश में. एक नहीं कई हो रही हैं. एंड आई एम शॉक्ड कि आज के ज़माने में व्हेन पीपल आर मोर एजुकेटेड, सोशल मीडिया इतना एक्टिव है, आप सब मीडिया वाले इतने एक्टिव है, लोगों की इतनी हिम्मत होती है, इतनी घिनौनी हरकतें कैसे करते हैं वो लोग. एंड आई थिंक दे रियली नीड टू बी पनिश्ड so severely that nobody else should ever dare to do that. I know I'm saying something which lot of people are saying, but कुछ फ़र्क पड़ना चाहिए. सबसे ज़्यादा आप सबसे के माध्यम के थ्रू I'll appeal to the young people of this country, the men especially, respect your ladies, respect the women. और आसपास कोई गलत काम कर रहा हो, be a man enough to get up and save the child or the woman or anybody who needs it. So I think that's what we need to do. आजकल हमें और vigilant होना चाहिए और sensitive होना चाहिए. Thank you.